Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you people all will be good and I am also good. As you can see my friends, I am doing very doing great. So yeah, welcome again in this video, and today in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can become fluent English speaker. Even if you are belong village area, and if you are from like city area where English is spoken, so just come to the our point. So our point is like how we can become fluent English speaker. So I would say my friends, you can become fluent English speaker. This you will have to doing practice, more practice, more practice every day. Okay, yes my friends, you can speak English easily, you can learn English easily, you can become fluent English speaker easily. Okay, so how? So watch this video till the end, and if you are watching this video first time here, so don't forget subscribe this channel. So yes, my friends, if you take me for example, like how I did learn English language. So friends, to be honest, if I say so, since when I started learning English language, since then I recorded video, and this time how can I speak this language? So I can speak language, I would say I can speak English language better than before. Even I can't speak English fluently, but today I can understand all things in English and I can speak this language. So I would say my friends, when I can learn English language, if I can learn English language better than before, I can speak this language, so why you can't? You can also do it. So if you think like I can't this thing, I can't do this thing, and I can't understand, so I can't learn English language, I can't speak English language, don't think like this. Just you should start learning English language. Even if we talk about English, and if we talk about any new thing, if we want to learn something new, then friends, first of all will have to do yourself. Okay, यस, सो बिना ट्राई किए आप पहले से ही आप हार नहीं मान सकते और ना ही आपको मानना चाहिए. सो चीज़ें कोई भी हो, बस आपको एफर्ट करनी पड़ेंगी, कंटिन्यू. सो या इफ़ यू वांट टू बी फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर, सो एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. वट एवर यू हैव योर सराउंडिंग्स, imagine your mind that how can I speak this thing in English. Like, so let me show you one thing my friends. See, this is Almira, my friends. See, this is Almira, and in this Almira, there are so many clothes. You can see, my friends. So, my friends, like this thing, you can see at your home, and you can think about this. What thing you see at your home? So, think in English in your mind, like how to speak in English, how can speak in English, this thing, that thing. So at our home, so many things is available. So just you can see and imagine your mind, like how I can speak these things in English. Okay, so yes my dear friends, what thing I learned, just self talk, and I did learn so many things just talking by ourselves. So you can also learn English language just talking by yourself. Okay, सो जैसे कि आप अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं लोगों से, वैसे ही आप जो चीज़ वैसे ही आप इंग्लिश भी यूज कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग डे में आप शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस यूज कीजिए, जैसे कि व्हाट इज़ दिस, एंड दिस इज़ अ पोटैटो, दिस इज़ अ टोमेटो, एंड आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, एंड टुडे आई हैव टू गो मार्केट. लाइक दिस सेंटेंसेस यू शुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एवरी डे एट योर होम. सो जैसे जैसे आप अपनी हैबिट चेंज करेंगे, अपनी हैबिट बनाएंगे बोलने की, वैसे वैसे आप, इफ़ यू फील लाइक grammar is so vast, for learning English language need to learn English grammar also. How can I learn English grammar? Because grammar is so vast, so how can I learn grammar, and how can I speak English language, how can I learn English language? Because for learning English language, some people say like grammar is very important, but friends, in my opinion, if I say so, grammar is important, but all grammar rules is not important. You can learn basic grammar rules. What things is important for learning English language, you can learn. Okay, because some people can learn English language without learning grammar rules. But if I talk about me, so I did learn English grammar rules, basic grammar rules we can say, because grammar rules is so vast. So I didn't learn all grammar rules. I learned basic grammar rules. So yeah, you can also learn basic grammar rules if you are from a village area. I hope you understand what I'm saying you. So yeah, my friends, my opinion, if I say so, you can all things if you want to do. Okay, so if you want to increase your fluency, सो एवरीडे स्पीक कीजिए, बोलिए, आप रिकॉर्ड करिए फ़ोन में अपनी वॉइस और अपनी वॉइस सुनिए, एंड जहाँ भी आपको लगता है कि मैंने मिस्टेक किया है वहाँ पर आप इम्प्रूव करिए, एंड अगेन आप उसे करेक्ट कीजिए, बोलिए एंड सुनिए. एंड या, so that's the thing I wanted to share with you. And just I would say, if you hadn't subscribed this channel, so please support me by subscribing my channel. And yeah, we'll meet in the next lecture. See you and have a nice day. Bye bye.